DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid is the most basic structure of all living beings. Let us make this wonderful double helical model of DNA using a simple sheet of paper so any child in the world can make this model and learn about the structure of DNA. To make this model, we need a sheet of paper, scale and sketch pens of 6 different colors. Take a sheet of paper and fold it to half. Now mark 1 centimeter from both the sides at both the ends. Using these marks, fold the sheet from both the sides. These two folded strips will form backbone of DNA, which is made of sugar and phosphate. These are the two strips. Use your nails to make the creases nice and straight. Now fold the paper into half and keep on folding these halves to another half as I am doing here. Now this half to also other half, and now all these halves to their halves. In this way we will divide the paper into 16 equal parts like this. But the important thing is that always make the fold sharp and clear using your nails so that you will get a perfect shape of DNA helix. This will take some time, but you will get a very perfect shape of DNA. Your model will look like this. You will get 16 rectangles. Now we will fold one diagonal in all these 16 rectangles like I am folding in this sheet for your clear view. Just like this, make fold in all the 16 rectangle of our main sheet. We have to fold diagonals in the rectangles only, not in the strips. Now it is also very important, after making these folds, make these folds very sharp and straight by using your nails. As you know, otherwise your model will not get the desired shape. It is very necessary part. Now your model will like this. Now each unit of nucleotide is made of sugar, phosphate and nitrogenous bases. These are there are four types of nitrogenous bases. So we will use four different colors: G for guanine, C for cytosine, T for thymine and A for adenine. Each step of DNA is the pair of these nitrogenous bases. Adenine binds only with thymine and cytosine binds only with guanine, like this. On the two strips, write P for phosphate and S for sugar alternatively with different colors, like this. This DNA contains all the information that get transferred from one generation to another. So most of us look like as our parents because information is coded in our DNA. Now the final and the most important part is to fold this model. Fold the two strips, one upward and one downward. We have two type of fold, one diagonal which is slanted and other one is straight. Keep on folding, one fold upward and next fold downward, like this. One fold upward and next fold downward. Soon it will take a spiral shape, spiral and round shape. Like this. Fold it very carefully. After few practice, you can easily make this. Now open it. Now open it and you will get double helical structure of DNA, like this. Have fun with playing with most important molecule of all living beings. Please like this video, comment on this video, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Let's think different. Thanks for watching, my dear friends.